Let f of x equal square root of x and g of x equal x to the fourth plus natural log x minus 1. Find f of g of x and g of f of x and calculate their derivatives at x equals 1. So f of g of x is just putting g of x inside f of x. So that's going to be the square root of x to the fourth plus natural log x minus 1. And I could just rewrite this as x to the fourth plus natural log x minus 1, all raised to the 1/2 power. In order to take the derivative, we're going to take the derivative of the outside function, that being the square root. So we're going to bring down the square root, leave the inside the same, x to the fourth plus natural log x minus 1. Subtract 1 in the exponent to make a negative 1/2. Multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 4x cubed plus 1 over x. And so we can simplify this by having 4x cubed plus 1 over x on the top, 2 and the square root on the bottom. And so if I plug in x equals 1, the denominator turns into 0, which means that the derivative of f of g of 1 is undefined. Now let's look at g of f of x. So we're going to put f of x inside g. So that's the square root of x raised to the fourth power plus natural log square root of x minus 1. Square root of x to the fourth is just x squared. And then the square root comes out in front as a 1/2 natural log x minus 1. Taking the derivative of this, derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of 1/2 ln of x is 1 over 2x. And the derivative of negative 1 is 0. So then I could plug in x equals 1 to get 5/2. And so that's the derivative of g of f of 1.